Take two. In the pavilion. In the rain. There's thunder and lightning. And we're scared. It's over here. So cold. It's so cold. Don't let go. Never let go. Never. Okay. Okay, look. I'm gonna run for safety, okay? Okay. You watch me. I'll be back. I promise. Don't leave me, baby. I love you. No. Take a look at that action. Oh, I see some crack. Oh my God! I love you, baby! It's so dangerous out there. Okay, you go and try to find Jared. Yes, Mother! Go try to find Jared. Go! Oh my God! Oh my God, get up, sweetie, please! Please! Oh my God, run! Run for your life! Faster, baby! Oh, God, look at her ass. There she goes. She'll always be beautiful in my heart. Oh no, baby. No. Don't get the camera wide. Oh my God, hold on, I gotta dry you off. Oh, wrong way. Oh. Okay. Okay. Now this part's about to get X-rated, so bye-bye. Here we go.